Zudia, now watch aunties very carefully. Would you like to pour water into it? Okay, now watch me very carefully. Today we will learn about different forms of land. Okay, now watch very carefully. See the two fingers? When a water body is surrounded by land is called lake. What is it called? Lake. When a water body surrounded by land is called lake. What is this?
Lake.
Lake. What is this?
Lake.
Okay. Now, when a body of land surrounded by water is called island. It's called
Island.
when a land body surrounded by water is called
Island.
island. What is this?
Island.
What is this?
Lake.
What is this?
Island.
Very good.